Want to try a new spin on a game day appetizer? Well, Howard's going to show us how to make loaded potato roll-ups over in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
It's March Madness, which means we're going to need a few fun foods to serve while we're rooting for our favorite teams. And rather than serving the same predictable stuff over and over again, we have a new idea that we know will be a slam dunk. We begin by warming some store-bought refrigerated garlic mashed potatoes just to the point that they're soft. To those, we add a bit of shredded cheddar cheese and some sliced scallions, and we give that a good mix. Now for the fun part. We lay out a dozen egg roll skins and place a couple of spoonfuls of mashed potatoes in the center of each one. On top of that, we add a little more cheddar cheese and some bacon bits. Then all we have to do is brush the edges with some beaten egg before folding the flap that's closest to you over the potato mixture. Then fold in the sides and roll it up like this. Once they're done, we'll fry them until they're golden and we'll drain them on some paper towels. What you end up with is an all-American twist on an egg roll that tastes like a loaded baked potato wrapped up in a crispy, crunchy crust. I hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our loaded potato roll-ups so you can add these to your game day or any day lineup. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a winning way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. You know where you go? KOAMNewsNow.com.